Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Samantha. Welcome, it's great to have you. If you want to see future videos from me, make sure you hit that big subscribe button, and I'm going to jump right into today's video. Today I'll be doing a simple gold cut crease. I posted this look on my Instagram and I really liked it, so I decided I wanted to film it. I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Blend palette, and yes, mine is filthy, don't come for me. It has fake blood on it too. This look is really simple and really cute and really fun, and I really like it a lot. So yeah, my face and brows are already done, and I usually do my eyes first, but I filmed a video trying out some magnetic lashes, so my face is already done. I don't know what's gonna go first, so I'm going to prime my lids with the Makeup Revolution concealer. I love this stuff, it is my favorite. I'm going to be kind of mapping out the shape of the cut crease. And you can make it as subtle and dramatic as you want. That's about where I take mine. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Burnt Orange and just going over what we already have. Next, I'm going to be using a smaller brush like this to darken up the bottom portion of that. I'm going to be going into Sienna. Doesn't matter if you get kind of messy because you will be cleaning it up with concealer. And this is a little darker than the first one that I did, but that's okay. Same concept, just I used lighter colors. And when you get it how you want it and how dark and how deep you want everything, you can go ahead and start cutting the crease. I'll be taking my Makeup Revolution concealer again. It is okay if your cut is kind of messy because we will be covering it with glitter. And now I like to take a beauty sponge and just kind of tap on the concealer. And I like to set my concealer when I cut my creases because sometimes it can transfer. I'm just going to use some of this from the Wet n Wild contour palette. I like to do to apply my glitter to my cut creases is I don't like to use a glitter primer because I find that it is messy. What I like to do is I like to use lash glue and the ones that have the little brush on wands like this. So I just take it and line my crease line. I just do a little bit at a time so it doesn't dry before I get the glitter on. And I will take a brush like so, dip into the glitter, and just pat it on. So that is what the glitter looks like. After I finish applying the glitter, I like to take a Q-tip and just clean up where the glitter has fallen. And clean up around the lid as well. Now I'm going to be taking a NYX Work the Hype mascara. So this is the final look, and I went ahead and put on some lashes. Now I'm going to quickly do out the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. This is both eyes complete. I'm going to touch up my highlight using the Anastasia Amrezy highlight collab. It is my all-time favorite highlight right now. It's super gorgeous. And I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede in shade Sandstorm on my lips. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was just a super simple cut crease with glitter. I like doing these looks, and I just recently did one on my Instagram. So go check that out. SamLoveMUA, love is spelled L-U-V. I'll put all my socials down in the description box below. Let's be friends. If you have any suggestions for any other videos you'd like to see from me, please let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.